Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw BUSD from Bitrue to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to switch exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds safely and efficiently. BUSD is a stablecoin, meaning it's pegged to the US dollar, so it's perfect for transfers without wild price swings. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitrue account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up and complete any necessary verification. It's crucial for security. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, find your BUSD balance and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, select the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the destination wallet address. This is where KuCoin comes in. Log into your KuCoin account in a new tab and navigate to your wallet. Look for the Deposit or Addresses section. Select BUSD and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double check that it's the correct network, like BEP20 or ERC20, to avoid any transfer issues. Back on Bitrue, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above the minimum threshold, usually around $10 or so, but check the details. You'll also need to confirm any two-factor authentication or security codes to proceed. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to KuCoin and check your wallet to see if the BUSD has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it time and verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan if it's on Binance Smart Chain. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and never share your keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.